In October 2025, Hurricane Melissa drew a line across this country. On one side, 45 lives lost, whole parishes flattened, over $12 billion in damage. On the other, a Jamaica that was spared but changed. Two Jamaicas, one future to build. This is the National Resilience Dialogue Series. 7 national conversations, evidence, policy, action. From infrastructure to education, every system that holds Jamaica together. How we rebuild stronger. Convened by the Higher Education Taskforce for Disaster Resilience, the University of the West Indies, the University of Technology, the Caribbean Maritime University, Northern Caribbean University. Beginning April 2026, live on YouTube.